Back in the day, man never have to talk up enough for show love. Him just make sure roof dey on the house, food dey on the table, and picnic them in a school. Big up to all of the father them out there. Go wake up early, tie them boot, and go broke them back for them family. The one where broke up him radio for fix the bicycle, I take his last shilling for buy book list. He might have rough enough, he might have strict, but him heart clean and him love deep, deep, deep. If you grew up with one of them, the old time father, the Jamaican father, you don't know what me I talk about. Your mother might hug you, but your father are the one who teach you how to face the real world. You don't understand what me I talk about. And some of we never grow with father, so we mother had to do that. But today, I just want to heal up all of the father them, the foundation builders, the quiet warriors, the real generals. Big up on yourself, Papa. Happy Father's Day from yesteryear straight till now. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening or night, any which part of the world on the day.